We are in 2026, right, Priyanka? And technology is drastically changing. And there is a huge social shift is coming to the picture due to the technological shift, right? People are not asking for the directions. They are all having Google Map. Nobody is bothered about 2 rupees, 5 rupees. They are having some 4-digit code to pay the Google Pay and so on and so. So, because of enhancement in the technologies, people are not usually interact physically with one another. So, you can have one idea which is very common in even urban as well as in rural area, that people are not facing one another. It's better to wish happy birthday over the phone instead to go and face that person and say, hello Chacha ji, Janamdin Mubarak ho. People are not having courage to say because these kind of practices are about to diminish or minimize or suppress due to so and so reason. Am I right? So what I'm trying to say, we are in 2026 and technological shifts is huge and dynamic. How we are going to survive in AI and automation era? What do you think about it? What are the career options do we have in the upcoming future? Yeah, definitely. Doctor will be there. Okay. Engineer will be there. And these all technologies are going to help them, not replace them. Correct? And other than doctor and engineer, lawyers, they will be there. Painter, photographer, journalist. I want to add one more career option, and that is architect. What I said? Architect. So let us suppose in Egypt era, these kind of mega construction had already done before 4,000 years ago. So you can just have a imagination and you can imagine all the vehicle, all the transport, all the new technologies are there in the new modern era. So if in Egypt and those kind of king and apex and supreme era where there was a ruler king, he wanted to do whatsoever he wanted to do, and he called their people, skilled people, and say that, okay, I want to make a very beautiful pyramids which will be made with the blocks, and you have to arrange all the blocks in a very precise manner that the overall outcome will look like this. Just have a look. So what is pyramid basically? If you don't know, I'm going to tell you. Pyramid is having a structure. Let us suppose this is a square and this is one point. You can join this point with all the vertex of the square, then whatsoever be the picture, 3D model will come into the picture, is called square pyramid. It's called square pyramid because base is a square. So each tip and corner of the square is attached with the apex, that is the topmost point. So whatsoever will be the 3D model come into the picture is called pyramid. So they usually there are 4 faces if the base is a square. One side is this, another side is this, another side is this, another side will be the back one, right? So just have one curiosity in your mind that how the people and the skilled labor, or I don't know whether they were calling them as a labor or not, or a skilled worker, but archaeological department has issued some statement that the king was treated them like a skilled person. They were the privileged one. They were getting benefited by the king facilities. They were having a very good cloth to wear. They were having very good food to eat. But the ultimate goal was to work for them. So this kind of mega structure they made. So let us suppose, Sagar, you have received, imagine yourself as an architect of those era, and Supreme has assigned one task, a dangerous task to you, that you should make a square pyramid with the help of blocks. And that Supreme is asking you that how many pyramids, how many blocks will you use to make a, let us suppose, 1,000-layer pyramid before putting a single block on the root of the floor. Means before going towards the construction, how you are going to give the estimated idea of number of blocks, stone blocks you are going to use, and what estimate will you give to the king if he is going to ask you. What are the ideas do we have? See, this is how this square pyramid will look like when you look at the top, right? So I have another picture. So this is the real picture of Egypt. Perhaps he is a king, and this is the pyramid. But my idea is a bit different. I'm here to teach you something else. And the thing is pattern. Pattern. Patterns. Do you know what is pattern? Patterns are basically the arrangement of anything which follows some certain order. Which follows some certain order. For example, this is a circle belong to yellow color. Okay? And this is a circle belongs to red color. And this is a circle belongs to orange color. And this is a circle belongs to again yellow color. So what you think? What will be the next circle? Red color. So you figure it out that what will be the next, because you followed the order yellow, red, orange, yellow, then definitely red and orange will repeat. So if this is an arrangement, but these kind of arrangement is following some order, so it will be very easy for us to predict the next one, right? So what is pattern? Pattern is arrangement of anything which follows certain rules, and with the help of those rules we can predict the next one. So the topic is patterns in mathematics. Patterns, 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 patterns in mathematics. Mathematics. Patterns in mathematics. Let us suppose this is one dot. This is one dot. But I just want to illustrate it in another fresh page. Let us suppose this is one dot. Okay? And this is another dot. And let us suppose this. Right? And this is another dot. What is the difference? In this particular thing, if I am going to join the middle of the circles, what you will get is a triangle, right? And this triangle, we have three layers. This is the first layer, having three dots. This is the second layer, having 2 dots. This is the first layer having 1 dots. Say yes. And this is a 2-layered triangle. Join this. So top layer is 1 and second layer is 2. So third layer is 3. So let's check what will be the fourth layer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the triangle size will increase. But again the fourth layer will follow the 4. So what do you think, Priyanka? The next layer will be 5? Are you getting it? What do you think? Khushi? The next layer will be 5 circles, right? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Extend this particular line segment and join consecutive circles. You will get the picture, right? So don't you think this is a picture of a pyramid kind of? Right? If you are having only one layer, there is only one block. If you want to make 2 layers, you need 3 blocks, 1 and 2. If you want to make you just want to make 1 layer, you simply need 1 block, that's all. So that is 1 is needed. If you want to make 2 layers, you need 3 blocks, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3 blocks. Say yes. If you want to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means you need 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, right, blocks. So what will be the sum? What will be the sum? The sum will be 15. 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, 2, 14, 1, 15. Am I right? So total number of blocks we need to make this kind of structure is 15. Am I right? Right. So what we are getting is this kind of number. 1, 3, next one is 7, right? 1, 3, 7, next is, what will be the next one? Think about it. 1 plus 2, that is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will be 6. Right, so this is not 3 basically, this is 6, okay, 6. What will be the next one? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10, so next will be 10. So what will be the next? That is 15. What will be the next? What will be the next? Is this the 21? If you are adding 1 plus 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, already added, add 4 now, 10, add 5 now, 15, add 6 now, 21, add 7 now, 28, and so. So let us suppose your king wants you to make 100 layers. What you will do? Will you add 100 times? Is this the good method to do? No. So let's figure it out how we can deal this, right? Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying, Khushi?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the concept? Okay. So let us suppose this is 3, right? So we can write this also, 3. If you want to write this, 6, 1. So instead of making this, I can make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you getting it? But see what I am going to do now. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see this triangle and this triangle in same? Same. Only the difference is the top is having 1 and the bottom is having 3. And here you can just imagine I have just flipped it up. Top is 3, 2 and 1, that's all. So what you are getting from out of this all activities, you will get a rectangle. Can you? Rectangle. So if you get a rectangle, means what? 3 dots 4 times. 3 dots 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are going to add 3, 4 times, what it means? It means you are multiplying 3 with 4, that is 12. Say yes. Yes? So you know that this rectangle is the double of the triangle. So make it half. What you will get? 6. Right? So if your king wants to make 3 layer, what you will do? 3 into 3 into 4 divided by 2. Right? If your king wants to add first 5, what you will do? If your king wants to add 5 layer, if your king wants to make a pyramid of a 5 layer, what will be the answer? 1, 2, 3 layer, 4 layer, and the 5th layer. Say yes. Here is 1, here is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Add all these numbers, you will get 15, right? So once you have an idea of number of layers, just write that number, multiply the next one, divide by 2, you will get the same answer, that is 15. So instead of doing everything manually, you have come up with the idea and formula that why adding a natural number is easy when you are using this formula n plus 1 divided by 2, and this is a formula of sum of n natural numbers, and the numbers are 1, 3 and 6, 10, 15, 21 and so, and these are the triangular numbers, because with the help of these dots you can make a triangle. So in next class we'll discuss something really very interesting other than this, but related to the patterns in mathematics itself, right? Probably we are going to learn how honeybees are making their houses in a hexagonal manner. So this is the assignment for you. Just check it out and figure it out. If you can see, the honeybees are making this kind of structure, right? Let us suppose this kind of hexagonal structure they are making in 7 days. So next 7 days, what they will do, they will make the next one, that is this one. Let me correct. Okay, see, let us suppose you are getting this structure in 1 week. So in very next week, what they will make? They will make this structure. What they will make? This structure. Something like that, right? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. So next one will be different. So in next class, tell me, if this is 1, if honeybees are making this one hexagonal in 1 week, in next week they are making this layer, that is 1 and 7. What will be the next one? This is the homework for you. So think over it. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much.